Rayan and Zayn's Playhouse.
Hi, everyone! Welcome back to Rayan and Zayn's Playhouse. I am Sparkle the Elf. Today, Rayan and Zayn will put up the Christmas tree and decorate their house for Christmas. It's going to be so much fun and maybe a little messy.
Let's turn our home to a Christmas Wonderland! Yay!
But who's gonna find the Christmas tree? Let's go! Here is the Christmas tree!
Where is the top part?
Maybe it went to the North Pole! Oh.
I'm holding this air.
Huh?
Ornament time!
Whoa!
That's right. Put it. Good job. So cute.
Big one.
Good job.
Whoa! Good job, Ray! High five! Wow!
Yay! A sock.
Wow! Christmas tree!
A Santa hat. Smitten.
Yeah.
Wow!
What? Okay. Is it ready for Rayan? We can put the string here and tie a knot.
Stockings ready, trees aglow, cookies waiting in a row. Close your eyes and rest just right. Sandy trees aglow,
Big
cookies
one.
waiting in
Good job, Rayan! Yeah, Rayan!
and rest just right. Santa will
Colors this one.
Wow!
It is a Christmas tree color.
Who is excited?
Let's put up the topper on top and a picture of Star Topper.
While Rayan and Zayn are decorating their living room for Christmas, I will share some fun facts with you about Santa Claus. Santa is one of the most beloved people of the holiday season. He brings joy and happiness to children all over the world.
Do you know that Santa's sleigh is the fastest vehicle ever?
On Christmas Eve, Santa has to travel all around the world in one night to deliver presents to all the children. Santa's sleigh has 9 reindeers. The reindeers help him fly the sleigh so that Santa can deliver all the presents in one night. Wow, that's amazingly fast. Now let's go back and see what Rayan and Zayn are up to. But shh.
Be quiet, okay? They don't know I am watching.
What do we do next? Whoa!
Yeah, the sound train makes is choo-choo.
I love Christmas.
Wow! Stockings ready, trees aglow, cookies waiting in a row. Close your eyes and rest just right. Santa will come in the night.
Bye-bye.
Ho, 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 it's Christmas time. Hear the bells and watch them shine. Ho, 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 the stars are bright. Santa's coming tonight. Stockings ready, trees aglow, cookies waiting in a row. Close your eyes.
Marshmallow.
Do you like it?
Wow. The tree is up and it looks amazing. But the fun doesn't stop here. Be sure to check out more of Rayan and Zayn's adventures right here on this channel. Merry Christmas to everyone. Stay jolly. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.